But anyway, I think I was saying in my last clip that I think that Spark is going to be partnering with other stores, and I hope that Publix is in on that as well, although I know that they do Instacart, but hopefully they partner with Spark as well. That would be great, especially around the holiday time, because I know a lot of people aren't going to want to get out. So yeah, that'll be good, and some good extra money. Speaking of extra money, I get a lot of people that ask me, is this worth it? I have a Q&A video where I'm not even doing any deliveries or anything like that. It's a Q&A video that I'll link down below that I discuss that. Like, it's worth it. It all depends on your mindset. It depends on your mindset. You know, in your mind, if you think that it's not worth it, then it's not going to be worth it. That's how I look at things. So if you want to do this, it's pretty much all about discipline, you know, and the will to want to do it, like any other job. And then I also get a lot of people that say, well, it's not worth it because you're putting wear and tear on your vehicle. So you're telling me that you don't drive your vehicle at all, it just sits in the yard, you know, so that you can preserve the wear and tear on it. When you get up and you get ready for your 9 to 5 and you head to your 9 to 5, you're putting wear and tear on your vehicle, just like I am. I can decide when I want to put wear and tear on my vehicle. That's the difference in the 9 to 5 and this. If I don't feel like coming out and doing this, I don't come out and I don't do it. If I feel like I got to go from point A to point Z, from one side of the world to the other side of the world just to deliver some groceries, I'm not going to do it. You have to be smart. You have to work smarter, not harder. You got to work smart in this business. You know, you have to have some logistics skills, some logistic skills, so you can know, okay, you know your area that you're going to be delivering in. I try to stay within a certain proximity. We have five Walmarts in my area. I am not trying to deliver for all 5 Walmarts. I pick me 2 a day. If I'm going to do 2 Walmarts, it's going to be within that same vicinity. Then we have 2 more that's on the other side of town. I'll run just those. I'm not going to go from this side of town to that side of town to this side of town, back over here, then over there, and all over the world. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. So that's why I say you have to have some logistic skills, because if you're just all over the place, then of course it's going to seem like you're just, oh, I just feel so bogged down. You know, this is not even worth it to even do this because, you know, it's so far, it's so this and it's so that. That's because of the way that you choose to deliver. That's how I see it. It's all in the way that you choose to deliver. Because if I see that it's somewhere, if I get a notification for a delivery that I know, because I know my area and I know the Walmarts that are here, and if it tells me that it's in a whole nother city, I'm not going to pick that up. So why would I'm not understanding why ooh, my mouth feels dry. See, y'all got me up here talking and it's already hot. And y'all got me up here talking and ain't even told me that my mouth dry, y'all. See how y'all do? Y'all ain't right. Because see, I be out here dropping these nuggets for y'all, trying to get y'all up to par on how to get y'all money. And y'all didn't even tell the sister that I was out here with needing some lip gloss on. See? Matter of fact, while we speaking of y'all not telling me anything, I looked at my analytics and I see that 95% of my watchers aren't subscribed. So I'm gonna say this right now. I'm gonna need y'all to quit coming over here and watching and leaving and not hitting that subscribe button. If you enjoy my content, go on and show me by liking the videos and subscribing to my channel. I looked at the analytics and I'm like, so over half of the people who watch my content haven't subscribed. Why haven't you subscribed? I want to know. Tell me why you haven't subscribed. Because y'all watching this video. Y'all watching the videos. I know you're watching them because I see the numbers. And I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. But I would love to have you a part of the family. You know, don't be just over here side chicking me. Don't be over here side chicking me. And trying to act like, you know, I'ma just come over here and watch her, but I ain't gonna subscribe to her channel. No, I'm gonna need you to subscribe to my channel. That would make my day. You just subscribe to my channel. So while we're right here talking about subscribing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload any videos. Y'all know y'all don't want to miss out on it because y'all over here watching. So I want y'all to know every time that I upload a video. Okay? Can y'all do me that one little favor? Just one. It's not asking for much. I'm not asking for much. Okay? But for real, I need y'all to subscribe. Okay? And keep letting me know down in the comments also what y'all want to see. Like, I don't know the variations of the ways that you want to see these videos. I mean, because I have videos from where do you find your earnings, the schedule, just all of that. Oh, speaking of schedules, I'm all over the place with this video, but while I'm thinking of stuff, I'm just telling y'all some things. Okay, so speaking of schedules, it's really not you having to go in and do your schedule anymore. They have this thing now where it's Spark Now. So you have this little tab that's in your app, and it says Spark Now, and you can turn it on and off. You can turn it on for however long you want to be receiving notifications, because what's changed is if you don't turn that Spark Now on, you won't get any notifications for deliveries. So you have to have that on. So if you haven't been getting notifications and you still feel like your schedule or whatever, the way you had your schedule set up to, you know, work Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and you haven't been getting any notifications, it's probably because, hey honey, it's probably because you haven't turned your Spark Now on. So that's another thing that's changed also with Spark. You have to have that on in order to receive notifications. But yeah, I have other videos. I have a whole bunch of videos that just, if you just look at my playlist for Walmart deliveries, you will see that I have quite a few videos. But if it's something that you really want to see me do related to Walmart, Spark videos, or whatever, just let me know. You know, I don't have a problem with doing it, but I just don't want to bore y'all to death and, you know, constantly giving y'all the same content over and over and over and over. You know what I'm saying? So just let me know exactly what it is that you want. But I've made it back home right now, so if I don't have any other deliveries, I'm just gonna, am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. If I don't have any other deliveries, then I'll probably hop back on and just tell y'all I'm gonna holler at y'all. But if I get any more, then we're gonna be riding out again and going to get some more money. Okay? So y'all stay tuned, and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so we back, and I am gonna go and do this last one for today. It is about 11 o'clock, and it is an in-store batch order. So basically it's gonna be 5 orders, but the only reason why I'm doing this is to show y'all that you don't have to go in the store, at least not in my area. You don't have to go to the store to pick the order up. So when I get to Walmart, I'll be back. All right, so we are parking and gonna pick up these 5 orders real quick. And that's gonna be that. Let me let them know that I'm here, so I'll be back. Okay, so somebody had asked me in one of my videos, but for my comments, somebody had asked, how long do Spark give for you to deliver a batch order? Because they said that they work for, I think they do deliveries for Postmates or something like that, and they were saying that you don't have that much time. But I'm going to show you right here. I'm going to put a screenshot of the actual order that I'm picking up. I'm going to put the screenshot right here so you can see. I think it's almost an hour and a half to 2 hours. It is 11 o'clock. It's not even like right at 11. I don't know exactly what time it is. I have my clock set a little fast, but it's almost 11 o'clock here. And if you look on the screenshot that I'm gonna put right up here, then you'll see just about how long it gives you to deliver a batch order. So that's to answer whoever's question that asked that. It's at least 2 hours, I think it is. So yeah. I am back. I'm picking up it's an in-store express, but it's like 5 different orders. You need the name of each one?
Yeah, I would.
Okay. All right. So y'all just heard the gentleman come up. So when you come to do the in-store express pickups, you have to give them the name for each one. He's new, so he may just do it that way. Some of the others, they probably won't. But if you have somebody that's asking you for each name of who is in that particular order that you're picking up for, be kind and be nice and just give it to them. Don't say, well, you should see it on your system or whatever, because most times, you know, it's only a few people that's working in here. And this morning when I picked up here, it was 2 people and this parking lot was full, like it was a club. And when I asked them, I was like, are y'all the only 2? Because usually when I pick up at this location, it's a lot of people. But the gentleman that just came to my car just then, he was like, a lot of people, they lost a lot of people, whether it was due to the virus or they just quit. So just keep that in mind. You know, you're gonna have to have a little bit of patience when you come to these stores now, because they are definitely short-staffed. So if you have to give them everything that you usually don't have to, you know, like sometimes you just pull up and they can actually sit in their system. If they ask, just give it to them. Like this morning when I was here, I had a huge order. I think it was 174 items in that order. And the gentleman, he was so nice. It was the same one that y'all just saw. And I actually got out of the vehicle and helped him put some of the stuff in my car, because, I mean, he was an older man and it's hot. And it was a lot of items. And then on top of that, you know, I was ready to go ahead and get my delivery on the road. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'm not saying that you have to do that at all, but I'm sure that made his day. Well, it did make his day, because he was like, you know, I appreciate that, because he had just retired, and he retired some months ago, and then he just started doing this in August. So he's still getting the swing of it. So I kind of helped him out a little bit, but that's just me. That's what I do. But I was just letting y'all know that, like, usually when you go in and do the in-store pickup, I don't know how this is going to go. I don't know if I'm going to have to, scan each one, but we're going to see, because here they come now. Hey. Yeah, do I have to still scan all of them, or they've already been scanned in? Because when we used to come in, we used to scan, like, the barcodes that y'all have, so we don't have to do that. You just bringing everything out and putting it in?
I don't know how it works for y'all, to be honest. We scan them out like normal, but I don't know if y'all still have to scan them or not.
Okay, well, we gonna see.
Sorry.
No, you can just put them all in the trunk part, and then if I have to scan them, then I'll just go in and scan them. Okay? All right, so yeah, Usually when you go in the store, when you used to do an in-store pickup, you used to have to go in and actually scan each barcode. But right now, being that they've changed the system, I don't know if you have to scan.
I think I got a couple more.
Okay, I don't know if you have to scan each barcode or not, but we're gonna see. So I'm gonna have to let y'all go so I can see. All right, so I'll be back.
$3 for this.
I know, right?
Or give y'all heavy pay.
Yes, hazard pay. All right.
Safe out there.
Thank you. You too.
Hopefully you won't get any more big ones like that.
Oh, they keep coming in, so I'm sure I will.
Fair enough.
All right, so on this particular order, y'all, I have 2 big bags of dog food. Woo! So the good thing about this is I don't have to scan the barcode. So we're going to get ready to start these deliveries. I'm going to drop them off. I'm not going to be able to really just show you each one of them because I don't know the steps. Since they've changed, I may still have to, I know I'm going to have to take a picture when I drop them off. So we're just going to see. So y'all just hold on, hold tight, put your seatbelt on. Let's ride out so we can get this stuff where it need to be. And then I can go grab me some lunch because I'm hungry. All right, so let's roll. All right, so I am back and I have completed all 5 of my deliveries. I got started right around 11 and it is 12:10. So we are all done. I'm about to get me some lunch, but I will say that the in-store pickup back in the day where you had to scan all those barcodes and all of that, you don't got to do all that. You still have to take the picture and let them know, you know, where you left things at, and give them a call or send them a text or whatever. You still have to do all of that. But as far as when you get ready to drop the items off, you don't have to scan the barcodes anymore, because once the Walmart associate scans inside the store, then that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to hop back on, tell y'all that a little bit, and to let y'all know that I'm done. I'm done for the day. I'm actually getting ready to go to my actual business, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about that too, because I'm gonna let y'all know a little bit more about me and Spark. So I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, you've made it this far, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Share this with whoever you think that may benefit from this information. Let's see what else. Let's get this channel to the subscriber number that it needs to be. Like I told y'all in a couple of clips back, I have a lot of people that are here that watch but don't subscribe. I need you to subscribe. Just do that one thing for me. If you can do that for me, that'll be great. We can keep the content rolling. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And I actually think that the police is behind me, so I'm getting ready to get off here before he think that I'm going crazy in this car. Oh no, it's not the police. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe for me, hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. And be sure to leave me a comment. Let me know how you have been handling your Walmart deliveries. I would love to hear some of your stories. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.